This mango will be used to create a dish for my dinner tonight. And probably one mango may not be enough because I need to make a mango sauce by puree the mango and also make some mango cubes to be served together with my crispy chicken. Hey, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Malaysian and Thai influenced mango chicken. For today's recipe, what I need is some chicken, and this is the boneless, skinless chicken that I have already cut it into bite-sized pieces. And my plan is to marinate it and then deep fry it. To marinate the chicken, I need some light soy sauce and some sesame oil, a little bit of white pepper, and season it with some salt, and then mix everything together and set it aside for about 20 minutes or even longer if you would like. While marinating the chicken, let's prepare other ingredients. Over here I have a mixture of cornstarch and potato starch. This is for the purpose of coating the chicken to deep fry the chicken afterwards. And I also like to include a little bit of baking powder so that the crust that forms on the chicken will be more airy. And also half an egg white. This is also used to coat the chicken afterwards. Also a few more ingredients that I have prepared. That is some onion cubes, some bell pepper cubes, chopped garlic and ginger, some brown sugar. If you have palm sugar, it is better to use palm sugar, which is widely used in Malaysia and Thai, and some kaffir lime leaves for the extra flavor, and also some coconut cream. Next, cut the mango. And then cut the mango into cubes. And then remove the cubes from the skin. So now we need to make the sauce. And first things, puree the mango. Now let's make the sauce for the chicken. Add some oil to the pan and heat it up, and then saute the minced garlic and ginger. And along the way, if you wanted to make it spicy, you can add some red chili. Now in my case, I just add 2 small dry red chili because I can't take too much heat. And also the onion. When it turns aromatic, add the mango puree. And also the coconut cream. And add a little bit of water or broth if you want. It's quite thick. And then season it with fish sauce. And sugar. Okay, let's do a test and see how's the taste like. Wow, it's moment of truth. A very unique taste. but it's really refreshing. I never think about it's going to be that nice. It has the sweetness from the sugar and mango, and the mango flavor turns out exceptionally strong, which I initially a little bit worried that it's not strong enough, but it is just perfect. So now I'll just add in the red bell pepper and cook a little while until it is no longer taste raw. And it is a joy to see the mango puree is bubbling here. Very nice. Okay, so I switch it off for the moment. Get back to the chicken and get it ready for deep frying. So this is already marinated. I'm going to add some egg white into it. Mix well. And this is the combination of cornstarch, potato starch, and baking powder. And then I'll put all this into it. And I'm going to coat the chicken with the starch so that every piece of the chickens are fully covered with the starch before I deep frying the chicken. And deep fry the chicken until golden brown on both sides. You can opt to pan fry, you can opt to air fry it if you are looking for a healthier version, but today I'll just make it extra crispy and I decided to deep fry the chicken. Once it turns light brown, I'll then remove the chicken, as I want to double fry to make it crispy. So I will remove the chicken and let it rest for about 5 minutes to allow all the moisture from inside the internal of the chicken meat to migrate to the surface, and then I'll deep fry one more time to remove all those moistures. Now I've rested the chicken for about 5 minutes and I return it to the oil to fry the second time to crisp up the crust. Since I am doing a double fry, that's the reason why for the first time of frying I only deep fry the chicken to light brown. Otherwise the color will be too dark after the second frying. Now let's get back to the sauce. It's already 90% done. And this is the last step. I'm going to put all this chicken back to the sauce and mix well. So now the chicken is coated with the thick sauce. That is nearly 50% of the thick sauce comprises of the puree of the mango. So you will expect that is a burst of mango flavor for this chicken. And serve together with the mango cubes. And lastly, I will sprinkle some finely chopped kaffir lime leaf on top for garnish as well as the flavor. The leaves looks like that before I cut, for your information. So this will give the chicken an extra Thai flavor. And the result turns out a little out of my expectation. It is exceptionally well. The mango flavor turns out actually stronger than what I'm expected, full of mango flavor. And if you love this recipe, please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and also refer to the recipe that I've included in the description box and also at the end of this video for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.